Yeah, hello. Um, Welcome to today's tutorial. I remain your host, Dave Sam, the math surgeon. Right about now, today I will share with you a secret in dealing with Roman numerals. Yes, you heard me right. I'll be sharing with you a secret in dealing with Roman numerals. Okay, just give me a second. Let me take you to my board. Um, all right, just a second. Okay, it's coming up. Um, okay, all right, okay. Yes, just as we said, we'll be dealing with Roman numerals. Okay, so as the name implies, Roman numerals. It is a system of counting adopted by the Romans. A system of counting adopted by the Romans. Uh, you know, they had this. They normally use it to count their agricultural produce as a then. So they normally use these numerals to count their agricultural produce. For example, just a strike, which represents one, then double strike represents two. We have triple strike represents three. Then, okay, our focus today will now shift to how did they come about that 4 and 5, 6, and upward. So there is a special, we are expecting that by the next counting is going to be 4 strikes, which will be four, but um, let's just say we are wrong about that. So we have something like this, which is IV, which is 4. Now, then we have V to be 5. Now, let's talk about this. I will talk about two of it, how to get IV and how to get VI. Then we'll also talk about the X, which is 10, how to get IX, and also how to get XI. So quickly, let me take you to the other page. So we're talking about this V, we stand for 5. Now we tend to ask ourselves, why is IV 4? Why? Why is it not this? We ask ourselves why. Why is it not 4 strikes? Now, this is it. It's very simple. Now, let's do this together. Now, anytime you see you see an I appearing before the special symbol, the special character, which is what? 5. Now, anytime it is appearing like this, it shows that uh, it shows that you're subtracting 4. Do you understand now? Now, and anytime the special number appears right after the special number, which is 5, this means that you're adding 1 to 8. So therefore, you have what? 6. So that's why we have IV as what? 4 and VI as 6. Same goes with 9 and 10. Okay. So remember we have IX. Now, ix, you can see I is appearing before x. So this means that we are subtracting 1 from 10, and this gives you 9. Are you following? Okay, good. So now, and anytime you have an I appearing after the X, so this means that you are adding. So therefore, you have 11. So IX to be 9 and XI to be 11. So quickly, let's shift to the other special character, which is what? 50. And 50 represents L. 50, L represents 50 rather. So L represents 50. And this it goes the same way. Now, this time around, we are making use of what? X and L. Now you can see X is appearing before L, right? So since X is appearing before L, this means that we are subtracting 10 from 50, and this gives us 40. Are we following? Then next we have LX. This time around, you can see X appearing after L. So this means that you are adding 10 to what? To 50, and this gives you 60. So I believe with this is just a little secret of the Roman numerals. This is just a little secret of um dealing with Roman numerals, of computing with Roman numerals. So I would like to stop here today, right here, right now. So when we come tomorrow, we'll proceed from here. I hope you've learned a little about the secret behind Roman numerals. I still remain your host, Dave Sam, the maths surgeon. See you next time. Thank you and bye for now.